If you've got a Google Pixel, you've probably seen the take a message feature that answers your missed calls. Up until now, though, it just played a generic robot greeting. Well, that's changed. You can now record your own custom voicemail greeting in your own voice. Let me show you how to set it up. Quick recap, in case you haven't used it. Take a message is basically a smart voicemail. When you miss a call, it answers for you and shows you a real-time transcription of what the caller is saying. After they hang up, the full transcript appears in your phone app. It even filters out spam calls automatically. It's been available since the Pixel 10 launched, but now works on the Pixel 6 and newer. To record your custom greeting, open the phone app. You should see a pop-up at the top saying you can now set custom greetings. Tap try it out. If you don't see the pop-up, go to the menu, settings, take a message, then manage greetings. Tap the microphone button at the bottom. There's a 3-second countdown, then you record. You've got up to 1 minute. Hit save when you're done. You can now save more than one greeting and swap between them whenever you like. So you could have one for work, one for personal, whatever you need. Tap the 3 dots on any greeting to rename it, set it as your default, or delete it. Your standard greeting is always there as a fallback if you want to switch back. You'll need a Pixel 6 or newer for this to work. That includes the Pixel 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and all the Pro and A models in between. You also need the latest version of the Google Phone app, which right now means joining the beta. It's free to join. Just search Google Phone on the Play Store and scroll down to join the beta program. Custom greetings should roll out to everyone soon. Have you set yours up yet? Let me know in the comments what your greeting says.